Now we will discuss and we will try to solve the problem 7, that is 5x minus 3 less than or equal to 7 minus 3x. So this is problem 7 and we need to solve this inequality. Now as we have to solve this inequality for the variable x, and we know that now here on left hand side and on right hand side, on both of the sides we have the variable x, so we will try to shift this variable on this side and this constant number over the other side, so we can simplify this inequality for the variable x. Now first of all, what we will do, we will write 5x as it is, then negative 3, we will try to shift that negative 3 to the other side, and for that purpose we need to add 3 on both sides of the inequalities. So from here it will be cancelled out and we will left with 5x less than equal to. Now this time what we can do, we can add this 7 and 3, so that will give us 10 and negative 3x. Now we will shift this negative 3x to the other side, so we will add this 3x on both sides of the inequalities in order to cancel out. So from here this will be cancelled out and here we will left with 5x plus 3x, that will give us actually 8x, and now here less than equal to 10. Now what we need to do, we need to remove this 8 as well, because we need to simplify this inequality for the variable x. That would be a solution of above inequality. So we will divide over both sides by the 8. So here it will be cancelled out, and from here we will get, here you can simplify this, that would be 4 upon 5. So x is less than equal to 5 upon 4. So now this is the solution of above inequalities, and we can represent it by alternate way like negative infinity, because x is all values which are less than this number, so here or less than or equal to 4 by 5, and here we will use this bracket close interval, and because here we have less than or equal to, that's why we are using this close bracket. This means this 5 upon 4 is also included in the interval. This will be also the solution of above inequality. It will satisfy this inequality. Now how we can represent it on the number line, we need to check that. For that purpose we need to check that what is the value of this 5 upon 4. Actually 5 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 1.25. and how we can simplify, we can calculate this by the calculator or by using your cell phone, but even you can use along the way method to simplify this. Here you can see that we can solve it by this way. Now we are left with the number 1, but here as we cannot do that, we will use here point, and here we will choose 0 and then 4 to 10, and now here we will have 2, and this time we can simplify this by 5, and here it will be 1.25. This 5 upon 4, this is that number or you can say that this is the improper fraction, and this is the same if you write this thing or this thing, or this number, or either you can use this improper fraction with the mixed number like 1 and 1 upon 4. You can write this thing. These all are the actually same. You can use any of these. And how we can represent this, and we know that where is the number 1. Here we have the number 1, here we have 2, and so on. Similarly, on this side we will have the negative numbers, and now this time this 5 upon 4 is actually 1.25. so where that would be somewhere here approximately. You can take, because we have this is a plain paper and we don't have the grade points over here, we cannot show the grades here, but we approximately we can take that 1.25 will be somewhere here. So here you can draw a little bit to the right side of the number 1. So that would be the solution of that inequality, and we will fill up this circle. So this is the solution of that inequality.